Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn about shape of array and some of the attributes of array in numpy. So let us create a two-dimension array. Import numpy as np dot array two dimension. Okay, so 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So to know the dimension, there is a attribute called ndim. A dot ndim. So we created a two-dimensional array. Now what is the shape of an array? Shape of an array represents the tuple. Okay, the shape of an array is nothing but the tuple having dimensions, and there should be non-negative integers. Okay, here how many lists are there? How many elements are there? 2, and each is having 3 elements in it. So the shape would be np dot shape of array A. So that would be 1 and 2. So there are 2 elements, each is having 3. So the output would be tuple 2 comma 3. Okay, so there are 2 elements in it and each is having 3 elements. So the shape is 2 comma 3, and that would be in tuple. So see here, tuple type of np dot shape of a tuple. Okay, see, then if I want to convert this into 3 comma 2, that means 3 lists each having 2 elements, then I should go for an attribute called t. That t should be written in capitals, caps lock. So a dot t. See, now I will print a. Now you can see the difference. So this is a, and now this a is having the shape 2 into 3. That means 2 lists each having 3 elements. Now I converted this into 3 into 2. See here, 3 lists, 1 2 3, and each having 2 elements. So for that you need an attribute called t, capitals. Okay, you have to write in caps lock. Okay, on. Then t represents transpose, and this we will use in matrix. Okay, transpose of matrix, right? That you have, maybe you studied in your high school. Okay, then the same procedure is applied here, and we have another attribute called flags, which gives the memory information of this array. Flags, now it will give you the status of memory. So okay, this is the data about memory of that particular array. Okay, flags give you the memory details. Then size will give you the number of elements present in it. So whatever may be the shape, 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, the size is 6. So totally there are 6 elements in A. So the size will be 6. So number of elements present in array. So that is 6.